Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to download Etoro application on your laptop. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Etoro application on your laptop, the first thing you'll need is an Android emulator. Make sure you download an Android emulator of your choice. And once you do that, open it up. In my case, I've downloaded BlueStacks 10 Android emulator and I'm gonna click it open. Wait until your BlueStacks Android emulator loads. Once it does, click on Open Google Play. You can get access to your Google Play application right from your computer if you download an Android emulator. Now, from the main homepage, click on Play Store button. To get access to your Play Store, you'll need to type in your Google account's credentials, that is your Google account email followed by your password. Type in your information correct and this will open up Play Store on your laptop. Go to the search box that says Search for Apps and Games at the top and now type in Etoro and press enter. You'll be able to see the application that used to be available for your mobile device on the screen. Click the install button right next to the app to get the app downloaded on your PC or laptop. Wait until the application gets downloaded, which is a quick process, but you must be connected to a stable and faster internet connection to get the application downloaded immediately without delay. Once the application is installed and is ready for use, you'll be able to see the open button. Give it a click to launch your Etoro app open on your laptop. That is how you can easily download Etoro application for your laptop quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.